Okay, to do spring, very simple. First of all, you need the object, okay? The helix, the cube, which is the most essential things that you need, and the controller, of course, you need a controller. Okay, so first of all, we need to apply a lattice into it first, okay? Select your spring, which is the helix. Go to deform. If you can't find it in the modeling, you can find the riggings there. Both of these two have, okay? Go to deform and you find the lattice. Apply lattice to it. Okay, all this division, make it to lowest, okay? With the starting and the ending, that's it. Alright, next thing, okay, right click, select the lattice point, okay? Where you want it to like spring out from, okay, you select the place. Let's say you want the top one, you select top one. Let's say you want here, so it's this part. Okay, so I want this part because my spring going up this direction. After you select the lattice point, go to constraint, okay? If you can't find rigging, okay, you can find the animation also, okay? Deform, and then pick cluster, okay? So I pick cluster, it will give you a C. This cluster will control the 4 points that I selected just now, okay? So it doesn't need every time to go back in and then find the lattice. You right click, you select this point and then animate in from there. Okay, what we need just select just the cluster. Next thing, after we have the cluster, we need a controller to control it. Okay, so you can open up outliners. Okay, you can see where is it the clusters. The cluster is on here. So this one is the controller for the spring. So you can just click this cluster, middle click and drag, put into the controllers. So you underneath here. So the controllers, you bring the cluster move together. Next thing we need this box to moving on together. So you can set controllers, right click to select the cube again, okay, this one, and holding control, click this one, constraint, parent, okay, make sure the maintain offset is turned on, then apply it. Then the controllers will bring this box together, okay, and bring the cluster together. So that's it, okay, you're done. Next thing, you want to do it from this way, they are the same. Where is it? In here. Okay, again, the helix, you apply a lattice, okay, apply a lattice into it, lower up all this, the division, okay, select the lattice point, okay, select the lattice point, do a cluster from there, okay, the cluster, okay, deform cluster, find where is it the cluster, okay, the control is where, okay, you can see the controllers, okay, find this one is the controllers, okay, the cluster, just drag and put it inside, okay, then select the control again, select your cubes, default, and go to constraint, your parent again, then that's it, okay. You want to go to sideway also is possible, or is good, okay. So this is how you put in the spring.